Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your seats on Flair Airlines. So here are the steps to upgrade your seats on Flair Airlines. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. Then once you're logged in on the home page, go ahead and click on My Bookings. And once you click on My Bookings, it's going to take you to a window where you see a list of all your bookings organized. And here you can manage your bookings. So if you don't find your booking automatically, you can enter it manually. So in here, enter your reservation number and the last name on your booking and click on Find My Trip to access your flight details. Once your booking is displayed, check the flight details to confirm your reservation and look for an option that says upgrade seats or change seat. Now click on the upgrade seat option. You'll be presented with available upgrade options, which may include premium seating with extra legroom or other benefits. Now review the pricing and any benefits associated with the upgraded seats. Choose the upgraded seat you prefer from the options available. Confirm that you understand any additional fees that may apply for the upgrade. If your selected seat requires an additional fee, you'll be prompted to enter payment information. Now fill in the required payment details and confirm the transaction. After completing the payment, ensure you receive a confirmation that your seat has been successfully upgraded. Check your email for the updated booking confirmation reflecting the seat upgrade. And once you are done, return to the My Booking section. Remember how we came here to verify that the upgrade has been applied to your reservation. Now make sure all details are correct before your flight. Upgrades are subject to availability, so it's advisable to check and confirm as soon as possible. If you have any issues with the online process, consider contacting Flair Airlines customer support for assistance. Keep in mind that upgrades may be available at the airport on the day of travel, but these options can vary. Now, go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.